Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it during the setup process of the watch, so basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. First I'm gonna show you how to do it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's start by turning on the watch, and to turn it on, simply press and hold the light button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen, and then you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Now select the language you would like to use on your watch, and then press the start/stop button to confirm. And as you can see, now we're being asked if you want to pair the watch with a phone. Select yes, and then press the start button. The watch will enter the pairing mode, and now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here, then tap on search bar and type in Garmin Connect. Tap on search, scroll through the list. There should be more on this list of applications. Okay, this time it worked. So scroll through the list, find this application, tap on it, and then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you might get this pop-up about the Bluetooth. Tap on the OK to confirm it, because this permission is required. And once you're done with the pop-ups, you should see the main page of the app, or login page basically. And here we need to log in into a Garmin account. And if you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here to create a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap on next, and sign in. So give me a couple of seconds. Once you enter the email and password, you can tap on next. And after you log in, you might get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions again, like this one. This is for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And then the app should detect your watch automatically, because your watch is in pairing mode, so the app should detect it. If it doesn't detect your watch, you can press the back button and re-enter the pairing mode, and hopefully it will help. You can also try to turn on and off, or rather turn off and on the watch, and hopefully that will solve the problem. And once the app detects your watch, tap on connect it, enter the code from your watch to confirm the pairing process, then tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Tap on next. Here you can select if you or if this watch is your primary wearable. Basically, if you have more than one watches connected to your account, you can select which one is primary. I'm gonna select yes. Now we can set up the sleep time. So basically, when you go to bed and when you wake up. This is useful if you want to use do not disturb mode during sleep, which will mute all of the notifications when you're sleeping basically. And you can tap on bedtime to apply or rather adjust the time on which you're going to bed. Then you can tap on wake time to adjust it also. And once you're done, you can tap on next, and you can tap on yes or no, depending if you want to turn on or off the do not disturb mode during sleep. Here we can select if you want to send the recent training data to our new device. I'm gonna tap on no and tap on next. Next we have the location permission. You can allow it or deny it. If you want to track some trainings or other activities like running, cycling and stuff like that, if you want to track routes for it, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it by tapping on skip. I'm gonna tap on allow, tap on while using the app. Next we have the calendar access. You can allow it or deny it. This is useful if you want to get the notifications about the events and stuff like that from your calendar. So if you want to use this feature, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page. Tap on sync now. Tap on retry. For some reason I didn't want to sync. So let's try on sync now and skip sync. Okay. Then we have the tutorial how to use the watch. You can go through it by tapping on next. And once you're done, you can tap on finish. Right here we can set up the weather data. So basically you can set the location from which the watch should read the weather data, and you can tap on manage weather location. You can select used phone location or used fixed location. As you can see, we got another pop-up about the permissions for health features, and we can enable or allow or deny the different functions, or allow or deny the app, the Garmin Connect app, to read different data or to write different data. Right here we have the allow Connect to write, and you can allow or deny different features, as you can see. And below we should have allowed to read, but the Garmin Connect only has allowed to write. So adjust this to your liking, enable or disable the features you like. You can also tap on turn on all, on turn off all, and you can tap on allow or don't allow. I'm just gonna allow it. And now we can deal with the location or other weather location. So you can use the phone location, or you can use fixed location. You can tap on fixed location, and here on the map you can select the location you want to get the weather from by pressing and holding on the map and then tapping on set location. Okay, and once you're done with the weather, you may see this pop up to basically set up more features like music, Wi-Fi, Garmin Pay and stuff like that. You can tap on get started, and it will basically show you what you can set up, and you can tap on the option and set it up. As you can see, we have Garmin Pay and a live track. I don't want to use these features for now, so I'm gonna go back. And now you should see the My Day page in the app. And we can tap on more, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Forerunner 745 right here. Okay, so that's how you connect or rather pair this watch with iPhone via or rather during the setup process. Now I'm gonna disconnect it from our iPhone. And we're gonna connect it through the app, or rather by using the system settings. So let's go back, or let's rather go through this, select dismiss, go back, and here we have the home screen, the watch face. And now let's say we want to pair our watch that has been already set up. So you can press and hold the app button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll down, find the option called phone, select it and press start/stop. Here scroll down by pressing the down button, select the option called pair phone, press the start button, the watch will enter pairing mode. You can now download and install the application and basically repeat the steps as we did before. Or if you have the app already set up, you can open it, tap on this plus button, The app should detect the watch automatically, tap on connect it, and basically go through all these steps. Enter the code. Oh. Allow or deny the permissions. Set up the sleep time. Select if you want to send the data to any device. Tap on sync now. This time it's synced for some reason. Tap on finish. Go through the tutorial. And once you're done, you should see your watch right here, or you can tap on more. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Forerunner 745. Okay. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.